delivery. Yeah, another one of your glamour tricks.
This new world needs the strong to guide the weak. We can still walk this road together. This is how we leave our mark on the face of the world.
Bats breathing like rabbits. Christ.
Without my gauntlet, you're nothing but a man. Fragile, human.
Well, there they are. Children of the night.
To my son, Jesse. I know I wasn't a good father. I was too busy trying to save the world to make time for you. That made you feel like I didn't care. That you weren't good enough. The truth is, it was me who wasn't good enough. I failed everyone. After all I'd done, after all the death and mayhem, innocents were still being murdered. I couldn't put an end to it. Evil walked among us, and I couldn't even protect our own home. The truth is, I always hoped you'd achieve more than me, that one day you'd be able to take great pride in your accomplishments. You still have time. I don't. My time is done. I hope you understand why I decided to make the choices I did. To new beginnings.
Trusted my genius up to now. Think, Jesse, why would I ever hurt you? Trust me, and you won't need any augmentations that imitate ours. There is no weakness on this side. Darkness. We can be part of the elite. I will not let you go into the unknown alone.
Show us!
Listen to their song, son. This is the final frontier. A final choice. Forget gauntlets and cheap electrical tricks. All that truly stands between us and godhood is a drop of blood.
Is that the same choice you gave to Virgil?
Virgil didn't matter. He had no place in the future. Think of what you can achieve with the power we've been handed. You are worth more than any of them. I cannot apologize for progress. You adapt, or you die.
I've heard those words before. She's in your head.
Enough of your petulance! I am your father! If you won't come willingly, I will make you! I taught you how to shoot! Think so! You still have a choice! This'll teach you obedience! Too slow! That's not fast enough! You still have a choice. I failed you once. I won't do it again. Are these toys won't save you, Jesse? We could have achieved great things, son.
We did. But then you died.
It'd take more than bullheadedness to find her.
Carmine, we'll stop her before she reaches DC.
I taught you well after all. You just pray it was enough.